Alright guys, so here is your references sheet, and you will make a separate sheet from your cover letter, so they're individual files. And basically what this is 4 people that would be willing to give you a good reference. Okay, and this good reference is to get you a job, so it needs to be somebody who can speak highly of you. And I know that right now you don't have that many contacts, so I understand that this might be a little difficult. So I will let you do one family member. Okay, so that means you need to find 3 other people that you would give you a positive reference. One could be a teacher, maybe a coach, but realize you can't just pick anybody, because you need to seriously think, what would they say about you? Okay? And if they would not say flattering things, do not put them on here, because why would you not want to get the job you're trying to get? So what you need to do is you will have their name, and then you will have what this would be either your relationship to them or their career. And you could, if it is like a father or a mother, you need to put that. And so this is the professional. This is where he works, and then you'll have the email and their phone number. Okay, and you'll do that for all 4. Okay, and these will be the 3 different sheets that you will need to turn in. Okay, so if you have any questions, just shoot me a message. And like I said, we won't have a live Zoom, but those are the 2 things you'll be working on. All right.